Areas of central Nebraska saw severe damage following Friday night's tornado. One of those places is Lakeview Acres, northwest of Johnson Lake. NTV's Risell Ventura shows us some of the damage and what those impacted are doing in the aftermath.
The National Weather Service says the tornado began at about 10:54 p.m. in this area Friday night. The tornado, which had wind speeds of 95 miles per hour, turned pivots around, damaged homes, and severely impacted storage units, even making some of them disappear. The tornado left many people shocked.
I looked over here and I just said, oh my God.
I was pretty overwhelmed because there were so many vehicles here trying to get boats out and trying to get things out that were real important to them. And so we were all here for the same reason.
Richard, who is a Kearney resident, is helping to clean the disaster the tornado left behind of her brother's family storage unit. Him and his family are currently out of state.
We've been trying to go through each box and make sure that we find things that are important to them, and especially pictures.
But I don't know who this is. It's laying over here on the...
The lot owner says he received a call Friday night telling him a big storage unit blew away.
So we jumped in the car, couldn't get out of our drive because of a tree down.
He eventually got to Lakeview Acres and saw the devastating scene.
It's an experience I hope I don't ever go through again. I actually, when I come over here that next morning, I didn't know what to do. I mean, I'm an agent for 40 years and I've had all kinds of claims, but this was mine, and I thought, what do I do? And all of a sudden here, all the people started showing up, and I didn't have to worry about what to do. They were doing it.
Meanwhile, residents, neighbors, family, and friends continue helping to pick up debris.
It feels wonderful because they've been neighbors to them at the lake for many, many years.
National Weather Service says tornadoes can happen any time of year, but are most common in spring and early summer. Last year in Nebraska, most tornadoes happen in the months of April, May, and June. Reporting in Johnson Lake, I'm Risell Ventura.